Have you ever wondered why you are not getting views on your videos after uploading them on YouTube even after 48 hours? Well, if you found this concerning, then this video is actually for you because in today's video, I'll be breaking down a strategy that will help you get views each time you upload video on the YouTube platform. So without wasting much of your time, guys, we'll be going straight into my computer. So I'll be showing you the exact thing you need to do each time you're trying to upload a video on YouTube so that you'll be able to get those views you're expiring. So guys, we're on my computer now. As you can see, I have a draft of a video I'm supposed to upload on my channel, and this is the draft of the video. So I'll be using this as a guide to show you how you can actually upload your videos so that you'll be able to get views when you upload them. The secondary thing you need to consider while uploading on YouTube is your title. Your title should be around 70 to 100 characters, and if you're to exhaust the 100 characters, ensure that your first 70 characters is telling your viewers the exact purpose of your video. Because if you upload them on YouTube, the remaining 30 will be cut off. Yes, like it will not be shown to your audience each time they appear on feeds or browsers. Ensure to make your description very short and add relevant hashtags. So ensure to get a nice thumbnail and also get a playlist for your video. Do not upload your video without putting them into playlists. In my next video, we'll be talking about playlists and how it plays a very important role when it comes to video suggestion. So guys, once you have your playlist, you could click on done, and once you've done that, you come here, you choose if your audience, if it's meant for kids or not. Then you could show more. After showing more, so for this you could choose appropriately, then you move down and add relevant tags. Do not cluster your tag. The range of 5 to 7 tags actually does well. And with all that being said, guys, I'll be showing you the primary thing you need to do when you are uploading video on YouTube. So we could skip all of this for now and go to this end that says visibility. So guys, on this visibility, this is where you need to pay attention because this is where the magic happens. I see a lot of startup channels, even myself, it has happened to me. Out of excitement, you want to shoot those videos and make them go live so that your viewers or your audience can start watching those videos. This is where you need to take a chill pill. What do I mean, guys? You could private your video, you could unlist your video, and you could also public your video. The best option to choose is not a private option. Yes, I always advise you choose the unlist option. I've done this over times and I can see the difference between going public immediately and going private before public on a new channel. If you want to use the private option, this is where you want it to automatically move from private option to public. If you're using the private option, this is it. The algorithm would not read enough data from your videos. Yes. What do I mean? These data are the like audience, the title, the thumbnail, and everything that has to do with your video, because they believe this video might be for personal consumption or for just selected individuals. That is why it's not right or it's not advisable to choose the private option when uploading videos on YouTube. The best option to choose as a startup channel, if you don't have those audience at the moment, is the unlisted option. Yes, this is unlisted. What does this simply means? This unlisted option, as you can see, anyone with a link can watch your video. When you publish your video using the unlisted options, this gives the YouTube algorithm the access to that particular video. It reads the data in that video, it reads your thumbnail, it reads your title, it reads your video tags and hashtags and everything that has to do with that video. And remember, guys, each time you are unlisting a video, ensure you unlist your video within 6 to 12 hours before putting them into public. I will explain. Each time you do this practice, unlisting your video for around 6 to 12 hours, you have given the YouTube algorithm the access to read your video, and as reading your video, it is waiting for this video to come to public. So at that time, waiting for this video to come to public, the algorithm has understood or it has understand what this video is meant for, the particular individuals that this video are meant for, and in simple terms, the algorithm will understand the audience to push this video to. So once it's between 6 to 12 hours, you could come back and put your video back to public. You could come back and put it back to public. So immediately you put it back to public, the algorithm will not be confused about where to push your video to, because it has already read all the data in your video. So immediately you come back and put it on public, it will immediately push this video to the right audience. And if you have a good title and a good thumbnail, it will increase your impression, and this impression will give you a good click-through, which will in turn into views and bagging those dedicated subscribers. So what am I trying to say in essence? Each time you upload using the public option immediately, this delays the algorithm to have access to understand what your content or what people to push your content to. It will actually take the algorithm some time before it could understand your video and push it to the right audience. But if you use the unlisted option, yes, this video is in your channel, it has been uploaded but not public yet, but the algorithm have access to that video and it have understood the audience of that video. So immediately you come back after those hours and put it back to public, the algorithm will immediately push those videos to those audience and you get those views you have been aspiring. Remember, once you choose the unlisted, ensure to click on save, and after those hours you could come back and put it back to public. So with this practice, you'll be able to get those views you've been aspiring for. So go ahead and try this practice and see how your next video is going to perform. And if you like this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, ensure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I create an interesting content just like so. I still remain your virtual assistant Gideon, and see you in my next video.